Guys. Let's measure this guy. He's 13 and a half. Guys, ow. Dang, almost got me hooked. Myself in a situation here. There you go. Let's measure this guy. See that? Hook myself. Owie. Okay. This guy is 13 and a half. That's that. Yep. 13 and a half. And got myself hooked. Little nip. Really loose. There it goes.
You have to grab it when it's not moving. You have to see it moving and then let it.
I hope this is not a small one. I don't want a gut hook one. No, this is not small. Feels big.
Whoa, he's a chunk.
Look at that one, Chase.
He's like, why are you acting like that?
Look at him.
Oh, it's a small one, huh?
Yeah, so I'm just.
Let him go.
I probably will. Well, sometimes they look small, but they're not. I wasn't going to get the net. I can tell where I hooked him, so I wasn't worried him falling off. Told you, you just cast it out there and you'll catch him. That's where I caught the big ones. I just chucked it out there in the middle. Something about the spot. Let's measure this guy. Usually after the big ones, but this guy looks decent. Where's my measuring tape?
You lost it? Is it in your pocket?
It's right here. Let's see. It's legal. 12 inches. Patty caught this little dink. It's going to be a catch and release. You can just throw them.
Yeah.
He's little. Just throw them out there.
I want to get down.
It won't hurt him. There he goes.